Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt ice cream at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt, which gives our ice cream its creamy base. Next, grab about 1/2 cup of your favorite sweetener, like honey or maple syrup. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect touch of flavor. It's super easy to get started. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to mix them up. In a large bowl, combine the yogurt, sweetener, and vanilla extract. Stir everything together until it's smooth and well blended. Once mixed, pour this delicious concoction into your ice cream maker's freezer bowl. For best results, chill the entire mixture in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before churning. This step is key for a perfect consistency. With your chilled mixture ready, it's time for the fun part. Churning. Place the freezer bowl into your ice cream maker and let it churn for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll notice it gradually thickens into a delightful soft serve consistency. Keep an eye on it. You want it to be firm but still scoopable. Avoid over-churning, as this can make your ice cream less smooth. Enjoy watching it transform. Almost there. Once your yogurt ice cream has reached that lovely soft serve stage, transfer it from the ice cream maker into an airtight container. Pop it into your freezer for another 2 to 4 hours. This final chill time will help it firm up to a scoopable, traditional ice cream texture. When it's ready, scoop it out and add your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, or some granola make it extra special. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.